Did you know you can add a background image to the Safari app? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Safari background on iPhone. Now let's get started. To change the background image on Safari on iPhone, start by opening up the Safari app. Open a new tab, then tap the Edit button near the bottom. Now tap the switch labeled Background Image. Now you can tap one of the image options provided to set it as your Safari background. If you'd like to add your own image as the background, tap the plus sign to upload one from your camera roll. Select the image you want to use. Once you've selected your background image, tap the X in the top right corner to close the Edit menu. Now you can see your new Safari background. You can tap Edit to go back and change or remove your Safari background if you like. That's all it takes to change your Safari app background on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.